Oh my god, that's already 2 minutes gone. I don't even know what to do. No, this eyelash looks so shit. I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. Pitiful. Very pitiful. Hey guys, it's Beatty. Today I'm doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. Let's get started. I will put a timer on for 5 minutes and see how much makeup I can do. I normally take like half an hour, let's say. If I'm doing like a normal makeup, if I'm doing something fancy, then it will be longer. I think 5 minutes is gonna be a real challenge. I've laid everything out. I don't think that's cheating, that's being prepared. I've opened everything. I don't think that's illegal. And my light just died. Excuse me. It's good that it died now and not in the middle of the challenge. I'm gonna put a 5-minute timer on and just go for it. I'm going to put on like the core makeup first. Foundation, concealer, eyelashes, eyebrows, and a lip of some sort. And then we'll see if I have time to add anything more. I don't think I will. It takes me a really long time to do anything. Oh my god, I'm gonna look crazy. I cannot put on mascara without curling my lashes because one side is like drooping down. So now I have to do it and I'll just look bad. Okay, it's a challenge. I'm already talking for 5 minutes. Did nothing yet. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Foundation. Oh, why am I closing it? Foundation. Need to mix. Oh no. This is the wrong color. Whatever. Oh no, this is taking way longer than I thought already. I don't know how to blend so fast. I normally go for pretty. No time for blending. Oh, why didn't I take out my cushion? I should have taken out my cushion. It would blend it in 5 seconds. Okay, this is good enough. Okay, concealer. I'm just doing a bit under my eyes. I'm literally just doing a bit. I can always go back, right? If I look like shit. I have so much to conceal though. Oh my god. You know what? I guess we're living with redness today. I don't care. Oh my god, I'm gonna do eyebrows because that always takes the longest and it's going to look better if I have eyebrows done. Oh my god, that's already 2 minutes gone on foundation. I don't even have time to do this. Do you know what? I'm just gonna extend and put some in the front and that's it. I'm not doing anything else. Why did I choose to do this when I have no eyebrows? I can't even tell. They will be crooked. Okay, you cannot even see anything. I'm gonna go back if I have time. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do. Where's my mascara? This is so nerve-wracking. I cannot. If I would have to get ready in 5 minutes to go to work, I don't think I could do this. My god, I have 2 minutes left. No, this eyelash looks so shit. No. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Oh my god, my under eye concealer is gathering. time. I don't have time. I don't have time. Lips. I thought I can do eyeliner, highlighter, everything. I took everything out. I thought I can do everything. I cannot. What am I doing? Blush, some blush. Actually, I need powder. Oh my god. This is so nerve-wracking. Let me set my concealer that's already gathered. Must look great. Oh my god, it's 30 seconds left. There's literally 30 seconds left. No, I don't have time to do anything else. Great, 19 seconds. I want some eyeshadow. Oh. There's literally 1 second. Great. I kind of gave up on the end there, the 6 seconds. Okay. So nothing is blended. Nothing is blended at all. To be honest, it's not that bad. Like, if I'm just going to a shop and I just need to throw some makeup on, it's not that bad. But if I have somewhere to go, I would not go out like this. I mean, it's not that bad. It's a lot of unblended blush. And those eyebrows, wow. I'm impressed that I could even do most of the steps, but it still looks like shit. I would have liked more concealing, obviously, and some more contour. Other than that, I think eyebrows and lips make everything look better. Yes, this one was illegal. Sorry. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my 5-minute makeup challenge. This was very chaotic, but I kind of managed. Like, I look fine. From a distance, I look fine. I just love how my foundation is not blended here or really anywhere. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup content, and I'll see you next time. This is pitiful. Very pitiful.